Guys, welcome back to this channel. I want to show you the real potential of Coresage. In this particular video, there are people who have joined our business, but they have not seen the real potential of this business. So I'm just here to show you what this business can do to you, especially if you are to take it serious. Just like people are doing a business out there, or you are working at the office on a daily basis, there are people like myself. I do Coresage full time. So the way you go, open your shop, do the business the whole day, you get your profits, is the same way I'm doing Coresage, and my work is just sharing this opportunity to people. And I want to show you how much I am able to make. And I'm not doing this to brag in any way, just to show you the real potential of this business and what you can also get if you are to do exactly what I am doing, okay? It is doable, everyone can do this, and you can actually make a lot of money. I'm 12 days into this business. I'm only 12 days old. So that means I'm just showing you just a drop in the ocean, because the real potential is coming. So if you have not joined the Coresage, just get to our Telegram channel. You could get the registration guidelines and get started. Or if you have gotten this video from someone who has just sent you, ask that person to share with you the link and guide you to get started. And then of course you join our WhatsApp group for more learning. So Coresage is a project that is a smart contract based, and it's paying you through the decentralized wallet. You can get paid through OKX, through MetaMask, through Token Pocket. So, and you can actually make unlimited amount of money. So I'm not going to be making a presentation. I just want to show you within the 12 days I joined, how I have been earning and how much I'm able to make now on a daily basis for just empowering my team to make money. Because this business empowers you, or this business pays you for you empowering your team. If you support your team to make money, you make money automatically. Okay, so let me just open my OKX wallet. You can use Token Pocket if you're new, because I realized Token Pocket is so easy to use, so that you see the real potential. So we get paid in core, of course. We get paid in course. So let me first of all take you through the dashboard, how it looks like. So I started this business with only $7 12 days ago. Today I want to show you how much I've been able to make 12 days into this business. And also remember, for those people who mined core DAO in 2020, I was one of them. This is actually the second chance that you've been given to accumulate core, to mine core long term when it is still cheap. Because once the value of core goes up, you will make a lot of money, especially if you are collecting a lot of core right now. So let me just get to my dashboard. So my work is simple. I'm just marketing this business on Facebook, on Twitter. I'm sharing it to Telegram channel, in WhatsApp groups. And I've been able to get 219 people, even though I am training these people who have introduced, because majority of the people I've introduced, they are not able to share this idea to other people. And that is actually why I introduced the idea of Zoom meetings. So for you who is wondering how you're going to do this business, we have actually created a solution for you, because we will be having Zoom meetings in the evening hours 3 times a week. And all you will need to do is to join there and learn. And if you have a friend who wants to learn with you, you will invite them to join the Zoom meeting. They understand the business, and then they are going to be joining under you. And that's how we are going to be supporting you to make the money. So the business is going to be doable, and it's going to be very easy for everyone, including those who have never done cryptocurrency or marketing before. So I've earned a total of 14,813 core. All right, that is 1,503 USDT within 12 days. So if we were to look at that 1,500 in Kenyan shillings, you can actually convert this to your local currency. If I was to convert to Kenyan shilling, that is how much? That is 192,000 Kenyan shillings in 12 days. And we are just starting. So my work now here is to make sure everyone I have introduced into this business, I support them, I help them, I make sure I present to their people. I help these people to make money. Because when I help my team to make money, I'll also earn a commission from that. And that is the same thing I'm going to tell you. Once you join the business, you make money, help your team also make money. Because if you help your team make money, you will make money automatically. If you do not support your team to make money, you are not going to make a lot of money. The good thing with this business is whether you join and bring people, referrals or not, you are benefiting, okay? And you can actually get to our yesterday's Zoom meeting, which I've shared in our Telegram channel. You will watch it to understand how you can benefit from this particular project, even when you have not referred anybody. Everyone here makes a lot of money, but if you are able to refer, you are able to make even more. These are one-time opportunity, especially for accumulating core, because in the next 2-3 years, core is probably going to be trading above $10, and currently the value of core is 0.1. So take this opportunity early enough. And also remember, if you are mining, make sure you claim every 24 hours. Whatever you claim here, you claim it whether you have referred people or not. And that is the most important thing about this particular business. So what I've been able to earn, and I'm just showing you this because I know you can also do this. So I've been able to earn a total of $1,500 in 12 days, but I've been monitoring progressively. People have been improving, people are learning, people are starting to make money. For example, if I was to show you what I have made from morning up to now, I'm actually doing this video at 11:55 a.m. Kenyan time, or rather East African time, and I want you just to see what I've been able to make from morning. Okay, so let me just show you. As you can see here, today is on January 29. The date is there. So let me scroll to where the day starts, okay, where those earnings start. So the earnings starts here. So if we were to add, you can actually see all these core, the plus plus plus. If you were to add all these, what do we get? So we have 20 plus 80, that is 100, then 40, 140, 140 plus 80 is 220, 240, 280, then we have 360, 380, okay, and then we have 460. So you can imagine from morning up to now, it's actually a half day. We have collected so far we have collected how much? 460, 460. The value of core currently is about 0.11. So that is $50 a half a day, okay? A half a day. I have not referred anybody today. So whatever I have earned is because the team I have brought, I've been training them. They are now starting to make money. And that is what we will also help you achieve. Once you join the business, you bring in your people. We will train them for you, okay, using Zoom meetings. And then once these people understand the business and they want to join, they are going to join under you. So if you are fearing how you will get a team, we got you covered, okay? Because using our trainings, we are going to help you and then help even those people you bring in also to do the same. And that's how we help you to grow a team that will start paying you like I'm getting paid at the moment. So in the next like 1 month or 2, you will be receiving payments like what I'm showing you now. So that is for morning up to now. If I was to check yesterday, let me just show you the earnings for yesterday. Yesterday was on 20th of January. If you look at all these payments, this is coming from the team. Let me just scroll. You can add it for yourself and then see how much is that, okay? Let me go to where 27 is. Let me just scroll like this. So 27 starts where? 27 starts here. So this is the first payment that I received on yesterday. So if you were to add this, let me scroll, you add, then we see, okay? So let me scroll like this. You can add it for yourself slowly and see how much that is, okay? Let me actually add and then tell you how much it is. So after adding, I've just noticed I collected a total of 704, okay, 704 core. So multiply by the current value of core, which is around that. So yesterday I managed to collect a total of $77 the whole of yesterday. Okay. So if we were to go to the day before yesterday, so yesterday was 28. So let's go even to 27 so that you can see the consistency. Remember, these are business I've only done for 12 days, and it's not just me. Many of my people in my team are also making some good money, and in the next like 2-3 weeks, some of the people in my team will have started making what I am making right now. Okay. And you who is joining right now, you who is listening this for the first time, and you are wondering whether you can do this or not, everyone can do this business because you are not going to do it alone. You are going to be supported by the person who has invited you, me included. I'll be offering trainings, and that will help you grow. So if you look at what I was able to collect on 27, just for consistency, you see how this business can really pay you off. Okay. So let me scroll these payments for 27 up to where 26 is. Let's see. You can actually add them on your own. Let me see. 26 starts here. So you can add it. Okay. You can start adding those 40, 40, 40 all the way up to where it ends on 27, up to that 20 up there. So add and tell me how much is it. So on 27, I've gotten 821 core multiplied by 0.11. So the day before, 2 days ago, I made $90. Okay. That is 1 day earning. And even if we were to go on 26th, okay, if we were to go to 26, you see, so you see the payments for all the dates for 26. So let me scroll up to where you see 25. You can actually add it and see the potential of this business. Everyone can get paid like this or even more. Okay. So you can add all those that you see plus, 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 plus. So let me add and tell you how much is it for 26th. So after computing all those calculations, I noticed I managed to collect 1021 core multiplied by 0.11. That's about $112. And we can go on and so forth. For all the previous days, you can actually see the earnings are flowing in, and these are business we have just started. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is just to show you how much you can also make. Whether you bring in people or you don't, you will make money. But if you're open-minded and you're willing to learn and you're willing to work out, you can also make money from this. So you can imagine if you were to make $50, even if on the lower side, if you can make $50 every day, that is over, is it 1,500 a month? That is actually more than many government employees what they get paid on a monthly basis. So if you were to take this business as a full-time job and you take it seriously, you market it every day just like a job you are doing on a daily basis, you can actually make a lot of money. And the reason why you can make even more money here is because you are not working alone. You are working with your team. So when you help your team make money, you are going to be making more money, and you don't have to worry how you will support your team, because we the uplines, we the leaders, we have created a system that is going to help you train your team, because you have to bring your people to the Zoom to listen. Once they have understood the business and they want to join the business, they are going to join under you. And then those people have joined under you, they are also going to bring their people to the Zoom. We will train them. They are also going to have their direct signups. So when they do that, you will be earning, they will be earning, everyone will be earning. So as the numbers keep increasing, everyone is going to be making money. Now, something I want you to take note is whether you bring people or not in Coresage, everyone earns and you can withdraw this money immediately, because all the payments are automated. All payments goes to your wallet directly, and you can actually sell whatever you have received immediately. So this is a total game changer. This is a business that is going to be trending in the whole of 2026. I urge you to join as early as now, because the total number of people who have joined Coresage worldwide is only 1,000 as of now. I cannot wait to see 100,000 people join, 1,000,000 people join. Those who join early, they are the people who make the highest amount of money. So without wasting time, you only need $7 minimum to get started here. But if you are able to afford, you can start higher. You're going to be guided by the person who has sent you this video. And of course, if you never got this video from anywhere, maybe you got it on YouTube, you can actually check on the video description of this particular video, get the link, get started. But if this video was sent to you by someone, get to that person, ask for the link, let them guide you to get started, and then tell them to add you to our WhatsApp group so that you are able to learn on a daily basis how you can make this a full-time job and how you can actually retire very young from this particular project. So by December of this year, many people are going to buy cars, many people are going to buy property, many people are going to build houses courtesy of this particular project. Do not get left behind for whatever cost. So thank you very much. I'll be keeping you updated going forward. Make sure you have also joined our Telegram channel.